doing today?
Not quite.
Or what we're doing right now?
We're gonna take the Skyliner to Epcot from our hotel. I'm so excited.
We're here at Pop Century. I was about to say All-Star Sports because it looks identical to All-Star. Right now, this is our first time actually staying here at Pop Century. We're really excited to show you guys and look at everything. But right now, we're in a little bit of a hurry. We're trying to get to either Epcot or Hollywood Studios. We might end it off at Disney Springs. We don't know, but right now we're looking for the Skyliner. So I'm thinking it's over there.
Oh, really?
Has to be, because it goes over water, right? A certain part of it does. With this resort, we've never stayed here before. One of the biggest reasons is because the price point. All-Star is always a little bit more cheaper, but it's still a value resort, right? It's still a value resort. And also too, they updated the rooms, and right now I'm gonna plug that in. I recorded it once we got in earlier with my iPhone. But yeah, here's the new renovated rooms. It's kind of like All Stars. Exactly, but I think All Stars is it's all white. So this one, looks like they painted the backdrop over there.
Oh, yeah, they did.
You have different chairs, and this looks, when you first came in, this looks like a rug, but it's actually not. It's actually like a
Floor.
It's just flooring, but it looks like a rug. So it's a lot more theming to it. I like the new Mickey portraits of him.
That is cute.
And it does seem a tad bit bigger.
A little bit.
It does.
There's a little hidden Mickeys on the chair.
Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, there is. And then I'm pretty sure that's a pull-down bed. So you could fit at least 4 people at least in here, if you would want. And then the bathroom seems a lot bigger than the All-Stars.
Oh yeah.
Even for like the preferred All-Star rooms, it seems bigger as well. So
the shower.
the shower.
Walk-in shower.
So yeah, I can't remember. Is All-Stars, are they tubs or all walk-in? I can't remember.
I think the last one we had was.
So yeah, pretty good sized shower. This is all you need, honestly, for us. We're pretty content with simplicity. This is pretty simple.
The only thing they ever miss, I believe. There it is.
Oh,
Just kidding.
okay.
There's your full length mirror. Very important for me.
So there you go. And then you got this sliding door as well.
I was
Need it.
thinking there's not.
So yeah, it does seem like a lot. And the lighting as well too, this like recessed lighting for the mirror. I don't know if I'm sorry, if All-Star has that. And then your ironing board, some storage space right over here. There's a lot more storage too, I can tell.
Oh boy.
Oh, and then there you go, look at the curtains. Oh boy, it's Mickey. That's neat. I like that.
Ooh, I love that.
Like I said, it's just a lot more theming than an All-Star resort. So, yeah. So, back to the video now. I think we'll be picking this up from wherever park we're at. And bam, just like that. That's the room. A little room tour. I try to do my best to show y'all. It was on the iPhone once we got in. It's very spacious, very roomy. I like how there's so much storage everywhere, especially under the bed. You can just throw your luggage under there, use the drawers for all your clothes. And yeah, I'm letting you guide us right now because I'm just worried about this. I really do love this resort. It's very, very well themed. Look how cool.
So cute.
This is like a childhood dream right here for me,
Yeah.
especially with
I've never been here.
Toy Story.
Here.
There's definitely gators in this water.
Oh, for sure. And
For sure.
look how big that squirrel is. He's
Oh, and there's,
fat.
no,
Oh,
those are
trash.
rabbits.
It's a rabbit.
There were 2 rabbits right there.
Squirrel.
No, it's a rabbit. There's another one right over there. There's tons of them here. Yeah, it sounds of the 70s. So each section is going to be from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. And then it was originally supposed to be from the 1900s to the 1940s as well. But back in the day, it's kind of a sad subject, but 9/11 happened and they had to stop the project. So now we're stuck with the 50s to the 90s. Voila, we found it. We just had to walk around the sidewalk. We found the Skyliner. These potentially arguably too as well, the best transportation in Walt Disney World.
I just had an idea.
What?
it goes to Riviera. So we could have breakfast at Topolino's.
Oh, there you go. But maybe not. I don't know. We don't have a reservation for it.
I know, but I'm just saying that's so cool that that would be an option.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Wait, that's a perfect picture.
Again, also too. We've never stayed anywhere on a resort that has the Skyliner, so this is all new to us. You're just loving it here, aren't you?
It's my idea of a perfect Monday afternoon.
It is a perfect Monday. Let's go, let's go. I'm so excited. This might be like probably the start of a new beginning of always staying at a resort with a Skyliner. Beginning of us always staying on a property with a Skyliner.
I think so.
Perks, I don't know. That's
Yeah, like Riviera.
maybe just staying here more often.
Look how close we are to the water. I'm not used to that.
That's awesome. This is so cool. Like I said, each resort is going to be the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and the 90s. Like I said, it was supposed to be the whole century of the 1900s, but like I said, due to 9/11, that was halted by Disney's budget.
We are now
So,
gliding over Hourglass
yeah.
Lake.
Where were you going?
I'm feeling a margarita.
What does that have to do with me?
No. He's got a point.
I don't know. I want to go to. The wait times right now at studios are pretty
They're long.
reasonable.
No.
Slinky's was 50, so that's actually not too bad.
Wait, are we going to Epcot or Hollywood?
I'm not sure yet. I just say we go and jump on Slinky, ride Slinky.
This is always the dilemma because I love Epcot and he loves Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
So let's see who wins.
Or we're just gonna both. Or then ride Slinky, run on over back to the Skyliner, jump on over to Epcot. I think that's a good way to finish it.
Okay.
We'll see. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see it, but Slinky is only a 55-minute wait. So we just got here. We're gonna make our way in there and have some fun, get some popcorn, and just have a Hollywood Studios and Epcot night. Let's go. Still 55 minutes. We checked the current wait time. Are we gonna stop for popcorn prior to though?
We can. I would like to.
Okay, we're gonna stop. We're gonna need something to wait in line. To have a beverage, some type of bev. Okay, we secured the bag, got the popcorn, ended up getting after all a few waters, and then also two. Wait, no, that was it. I don't know what I was thinking right now. That was it. My mind just racing right now. I'm trying to run on over to Slinky. Are you ready? You ready to get shrunk down into toys? That's where it begins. I really hope we get lucky. One thing I do wish that Disney would add to right here to this land would be like, you would hear big footsteps. Like Andy's running around here.
Oh.
That'd be really cool feature they would do. That'd be awesome. Remember the days of this would be the regular standby line? We'd be out here under the umbrellas. That was wild. And we'd wait it. We would, like, over and over. It really is.
So fun.
Anything under 60 minutes is like a win. Me and Nola watched Toy Story the other day, the original. I hadn't watched it in years, and I just forgot how old the animation was back then.
Oh yeah.
You know, when we were younger, when we watched it, we thought it was like golden. I can't believe just how much animation had just like evolved. All right, 38 minutes, 39 minutes. We're about to get on, so let's call it 40. So we saved 20 minutes. So I'll take that any day. So don't trust the wait times. They're always a little inflated. That's the word I'm thinking of. A little bit inflated. All right, here we go. The big question now, though, are we gonna make it to Epcot in time? We are gonna make it maybe in the nick of time. I would say timing. Oh, my watch is not even right.
It's 7.
It's 7? We got 2 hours. We should make it. We should make it. We're gonna make it. We gotta make it. Here we go. Let's go.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
Oh, this is the best part. we were going over the little slinky thing,
That's the best part.
you could see the construction going on at Monster Inc.
Oh, no.
I was trying to show you, but it was too crazy, but that was actually pretty cool.
I thought.
Off we go. Off to Epcot now. Let's go. Can't run, but we're gonna speed walk for sure. All right, Adriana caught me a reason why I wanted to ride it. No, what was it?
To see a sneak of the Monsters Inc. construction.
Oh, yeah. It's all coming together.
Of course, because that's the biggest thing for Walt Disney World right now.
I always want to ride this ride. He never wants to wait. I should have known that there was
There's something behind it. There's always something behind everything I do.
I got
Evil laugh. Evil laugh.
Oh well, I still got to ride Slinky.
Yeah, you got to ride Slinky.
Yeah, no, it was fun. That was cool though. You should have told me. I would have looked.
Well, you're too busy like hanging on for dear life. But yeah, I could barely see it too. It was actually really cool. So a bunch of cranes already over there.
Yeah, that's what I saw was the big crane like
So
up in the air.
we're close. Couple more years. We're so close. It'll be here just like that before you know it. All right. Again, are we gonna make it? Yes, we are going to make it.
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Some of y'all can see there's a wedding party coming in with the bride and the groom. That's awesome. Well, bam, there you go. We made it. So it can be done. You can go to.
I was gonna say, what do they call the monorail?
Monorail?
The eye in the sky?
The eye in the sky. It can be done. Just know that. You will have 3 hours to spare. You can go to Hollywood Studios using the Skyliner from Pop Century. Go ride Slinky and come back, making just in time for dinner. All right, got my Irish beer. Now we're finally making our way over to Mexico. I never noticed this topiary. That's really cool. Kermit the Frog. What we're talking about right now too. It's so funny going once you coming in at the end of the day for Canada, and you go to that the Irish pub. Everyone in there is
Don't
just.
take your kids in there after I would say about 5 p.m.
Everyone there has done their drinking around the world, and
that's the end of the world.
That is the end. That's the end of the world tour, and it's funny. There's some funny people in there. You meet some really cool people. Some people are they need to be cut off maybe in like Japan.
Yeah.
We're not gonna make it. She's been stressing me since we left Pop Century about this.
We tried to come last and it closed early.
I think something else is going on that day. I was like, you're gonna make it. They're not just gonna randomly close. So here we are. We made it. I wouldn't say we're ending off the night, but we're just gonna hang out here. We were gonna go to Disney Springs, but it's just too good of a night, and it's beautiful. And it's just a vibe right now. So we're just gonna hang out here, eat around the world a little bit, and just hang out.
Fun stuff.
And then for the first time too, again, a lot of first time today, doing the Skyliner at night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see. Here for tonight, this is the Taco de Conchinita here outside of the Mexico Pavilion. And she got the quesadillas, El Pastor quesadillas. Haven't ate here in a while actually, so this is gonna go down so well.
I'm kind of excited.
Then we're gonna go and hang out, walk around, and just have some fun. That's gonna be today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today. If we don't pick this up from riding Guardians, we're actually just walking over there to see how long the wait time is. It says it's a 90-minute wait time with 30 minutes to spare for the park to close. We're just gonna go look. Line is outside of the ride, and that pretty much, yeah, probably. We're just gonna walk around, just hang out until they pretty much kick us out of Epcot. From here, we hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Again, it is possible. I've learned today. We both learned.
Yes.
You can do Slinky.
You can park hop.
You can park hop from your resort using the Skyliner and going to ride your favorite ride, Slinky Dog, and having dinner, making it time for dinner at Epcot. So
Caveat to that, we do have an annual pass.
yeah, that too. Yeah.
So you can do whatever you put your mind to, and whatever you have money for.
Yeah, I mean that's the pretty much straightforward way to put it. Yeah.
Unfortunately,
All right.
our annual pass saves our.
Yes, saves our butt. It really does. So it definitely comes in handy.
Yes.
We'll see you guys on the next adventure.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. Then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. What have we done? We got the generator.
Rocket, get us home!
An instruction manual. We did that all the time. Anytime. Let me try. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?